Let's learn dam. 32 counts, 2 walls, only 2 walls. And today we're going to learn it as a line dance in the regular format, but it can also be done as a contra line dance where you cross. So let's learn it. 32 counts. First 8. It's a beginner line dance. So we're going to start, we'll start with our right foot. So right, left, and a triple step, and a left, right, left, triple step. Good. One more time. Right, left, triple step, left, right, triple step. Good. With counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. First 8. Second 8. Rock, recover with your right foot and a half turn. So rock, recover, and a triple step half turn over your right shoulder. Triple step. Good. Now we do a left rock recover and a triple step, and we stay in place. So left rock recover and a triple step. With counts. Second 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Third 8. We're going to go to the right with a step together and a triple step. So right, left, right, triple step. Left, rock, recover to the back, rock, recover, and a kick and cross. So kick and cross with the right foot. So it's a kick, ball, cross, or a kick, step, step, whichever is easiest for you. So third 8 to the right, step together and a triple step, and a rock, recover, left, and a kick, ball, cross with the right foot. Okay, with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Fourth 8. We're going to go to the left, doing this almost the same thing, except for the last count. So left, right together, left, triple step, rock, recover, back with the right foot, rock, recover, and a kickball change instead of a kickball cross. So kickball change, because you want to stay facing this way to start the dance over. So the last one, the fourth 8, to the left. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, triple step, right, rock, recover, and a kickball change. So your right foot's ready to start again, to do the whole sequence to the back wall, 6 o'clock wall. So here we go, from the top, with words and then with counts. Damn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, with words. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, right, triple step. Left, left, triple step. Rock, recover, right, and a half triple step, and a rock, recover, and a triple step in place. To the right, step together, and a triple step. Left, rock, recover, and a kickball cross. Left, right, left, triple step. Right, rock, recover, and a kickball change. Good. With counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you do the same thing to the back wall. Fun, huh? Thank you for joining me. Come back. Bye.